Hi, in this video, we'll use the Advanced Search Query Builder. If you're unsure about constructing a query from scratch, you can always click on Advanced to use the Advanced Search Query Builder. This window provides a graphical interface to build and group search queries. The fields you can base your search on are listed here on the left. To build a query, select the fields, type in the values you wish to match, and specify the logical relation between them. You can also add more groups by clicking Add. Once you're done, click on Apply and your search query is automatically built and entered into the search box. You can then run your search as usual and get the results you need.